Carbon and X1 Yoga have always been a showcase for its latest and greatest business features, but it's outdone itself for CES 2018 and you don't have to look hard to see the improvements. Both the new 6th Gen X1 Carbon laptop and 3rd Gen X1 Yoga have WQHD resolution 14-inch displays, 2560 by 1440 pixels, with 100% Adobe RGB color gamut, brightness up to 500 nits and, pending a future update, support for Dolby Vision HDR for greater brightness.